In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to exit full screen on TradingView. If your chart has taken over the entire screen and you want your tools, watch list, and side panels back, this quick guide will walk you through the two simplest ways to get back to the normal view without changing anything about your layout or indicators. First, the fastest method is using your keyboard. Press the ESC key. This key is usually in the top left corner of your keyboard. If you're on a laptop, make sure the function row isn't locked. Sometimes you may need to press a function modifier for the ESC key to register, depending on your keyboard settings. One small tip. If pressing ESC doesn't seem to do anything at first, click once anywhere on the chart to make sure the chart has focus, then press ESC again. When it works, the full screen view will collapse, and your usual TradingView panels and menus will reappear exactly as you left them. The second method is with your mouse. Move your cursor to the top right corner of the chart area and look for the full screen icon. It looks like two diagonal corners or a set of arrows. This is the same button you use to enter full screen, and it acts as a toggle. If your toolbars are hidden while you're in full screen, just nudge your mouse toward the edges of the chart, and the on-screen controls should fade back in. Once you see the icon, click it again to exit. Be sure you're clicking the icon within the TradingView chart, not the full screen control of your web browser or operating system. After you use either method, your chart will return to the normal view. You'll see your watch list, drawing toolbar, time frames, alerts, and any other panels you had open. Your indicators, drawings, and ticker remain exactly the same. Exiting full screen doesn't change your chart layout. It only adjusts the way it's displayed so you can multitask more easily and access the rest of your workspace. To recap briefly, you have two easy options. Press ESC on your keyboard, or click the full screen icon in the top right of the chart to toggle it off. Both accomplish the same thing, so use whichever feels fastest for you. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share.